Let's see another trend following indicator, exponential moving average. There are different type of moving average. However, with our setup, 20 exponential moving average works perfectly. It is basically an indicator that calculates average price of the last 20-day trading cycle. Like I told you, it is also a very effective way to know the trend of the market. Like here in this chart, we have taken Nifty 50 indices of 3 minutes time frame. In this price action candle is going upside, giving a bullish view throughout the day, and this red line is called 20 moving average. We can see clearly the 20 moving average is perfectly staying under the price action candle. However, there were 2-3 times this and basically this time where the price action candle actually tried to come down and break the 20 moving average. If this is, please understand this concept, if this is 20 moving average and the price candle is above it, price action candle is above 20 moving average, it means market is having a bullish view. And whenever the price action candles are under the 20 moving average, it signifies that market is having a bearish move and it is going downwards. With our setup, 20 moving average works perfectly fine. We will see in our coming slides. Price action candle staying above 20 moving average indicates bullish sign. Below 20 moving average shows bearish sign. Let me show you another 20 moving average chart explanation. Here, when the price action candle was trading below 20 moving average, market was going downside with the bearish move. When the price action candle came above 20 moving average, market reversed and started going upwards. So very important concept. Hope you have understood this also.